Okay, tutorial number 2 is how to make the camera follow the player. Easy. Let's add invisible cameraman, not really, to follow player around, and we're going to do this by using a vector 3. First thing first, holy moly, guacamole, schmoly. You gotta make a script. Will you believe that? Right click to make a script sometime today. Thank you very much. I do appreciate that. Call it follow player. Okay. Open it up in mono or whatever you are editing with, for the love of everything. Don't forget to click and drag your follow player script to the main camera, since main camera is what we're going to be using to follow capsule player. Anyway, how do you do that? You got to have a transform. In this case, we'll make it public. Transform, and it's player. And we're gonna go add them to the main camera. You can do this later, it doesn't matter. I like to do it now because I'll forget and then run the script and it won't have a reference, and I'll throw a reference error. So now we've added our player to our main camera script, follow player script. And what we need to do is go, so the transform of whatever script this is on, in this case, the camera transform position is going to be equal to the player dot position, and we can take a look at that real quick by running it over here, and Control R if you're with the quickness. And he's pretty slow, so crank it up. There you go. So 400 seems pretty good, and you can see here, pause it, capsule and the camera are both there. So the main camera is equal to the capsule player, and you can see they're both in the same spot. You can also look in the inspector, it's the same. Boom, boom, all good. Okay, but that looks like a first person game, Doom. So what we want to do is add some sort of, I don't know, offset? Yeah, that sounds good. Let's call it, I like to put a little space if it's separate. And offset is a vector 3 in this instance because it's a 3D game, and offset player, and it's public, so that means we can change the variables in the inspector. And let's look at that again. Main camera, here's the offset player that we just added. Boom, boom, boom. Let's say here, let's do it. Let's I think I have to do this font single yeah, okay, so let's look at it, see what happens. Run. Okay, now he's gone so fast. He's gone so fast. He's just gone so fast. But as you saw in that instant cool play, the camera is still attached. So let's say we want the camera to be behind him a little bit. Well, Z, you know what the Z is? Z is blue, blue forward, back. So let's bring the camera back by offsetting the camera focal point. Let's say -10. So now it'll look at 10 behind, so it'll be somewhat third person. No, not today. Where are you at? Where am I at? Why are you saying this? Why are you saying that? What have I done wrong, dear? Oh, dear me. I forgot to add the offset. Dear me, oh my. One would think that I've done this before in my entire life. So to add the offset player, you could just add offset player. Boom. And if you want to make it pretty and easy to read, put a space and da 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 da. So -10, and that should work. If not, somebody's a ding dong. Okay, there you go. You can see now. Look in the camera preview. We'll go further back. Close. Yes. If you want it like somewhat to the side. So you can just change this to your liking. However you want to touch it and scroll it, it's fine. We'll just send it back. We'll send it 13 back. And that's it, really. And now you can set your camera how you want. How you want to follow them around. You want to look at it like that? Then look at it like that. If you want to look at it like this, then look at it like that. If you want to look like that, then look at it like that. I mean, it's up to you. It's totally up to you how you want to look at it. Look at it. You want to go up and down? I mean, look. It's endless. The possibilities are endless.